Hey guys, welcome back to Bearded Lumber. Matthew and I appreciate you watching as always. We're over here in our mechanic shop. Got to do a little work on our John Deere. Broke a weld on our thumb. So come right back. I'm going to show it what we did, and Matthew's going to get to work on fixing it. Okay guys, welcome back. If you run things hard enough, you're gonna break stuff. It used to really bother me, but I've gotten to where I just, tolerate it. It's what happens. These thumbs on this machine, as well as the cat, take a tremendous amount of abuse. And we've cracked the weld on this one. Matthew spotted it yesterday, so just for reference, here's your cylinder. This one was designed with two round steel tubes, and we've cracked the weld all the way around here to here. It's actually cracked the tube a little bit, so you can see we've had the problem up front. It's had a lot of weld laid in it. So he's going to grind this out and weld it all back together. He's sitting here, got his welder ready, waiting on me to get out of the way. Now, it's not an expensive fix, but Matthew can show you over on the table. We had to go to town. We needed some grinding wheels, some cut-off wheels. And of course, while you're there, I needed some transmission fluid for our Chevrolet. We were out of antifreeze, and we were out of electrical tape. Matthew got some wasp and hornet spray, and I bought a whole case of red and tacky grease. If you've ever bought that stuff, you know it is expensive, but it's the best stuff out there on the market. So this is going to be Matthew's video. He's going to do all the repairs. I got something else out here I'm going to work on a little bit, so I'm going to turn it over to him. We'll see you in a bit.
Okay, since the old man's done talking now, basically we got to start grinding off all that weld that's broke. That's going to be an hour, it feels like, to get it all done, so I'm going to put y'all on time lapse so you can watch it.
Guard the hill. A father and son are running a mountain sawmill. Eric fires the wood miser, Matthew checks the grain, and that LT-70's rolling like a Carolina train. At the Bearded Lumber sawmill, the sawdust falls like rain. They're slicing up the big logs, making diamonds from the grain, with that sawmill humming and the kiln warming still. Thanks for watching, we will see you back at the mill.
Okay, so I got most of the grinding done. I was looking at it, and I'll show you guys here in just a second. The crack is bad. It's right here, it's all the way through, and back here on the back side, it's broken all the way through. This isn't the first time it's done it, of course, but it's cracked a whole lot worse this time than it did the last time. I'm going to add in a little extra bracing here. I cut a little piece that I'm just going to weld in right there to give it a little extra support, and hopefully move that load farther out on the tube and not keep putting all the pressure here and breaking it again. I got to do a little bit more grinding right here just to make a good weld surface, and then we'll get to welding. Okay, I got the rest of that grinding done in a nice place here, so we're gonna get started with the welding. And I am not a professional welder. Everything I can do is self-taught and YouTube based, so it's gonna give a lot of y'all anxiety, and I know it gives our buddies that top tier fabrication anxiety, and I do it just because it gives them anxiety all the time. Okay guys, so we're gonna start here by laying in a couple passes down low to try and get all that crack welded back together before we put this piece on and weld that in with it. I'm gonna see how good this goes.
Vader's barking early, Leroy's running wide, Rosie's kicking sawdust on the molder planer side. Eric's teaching Matthew, just like fathers do, how to read the life inside a log and cut it straight and true. At the bearded lumber sawmill, the sawdust falls like rain. They're slicing up the big logs, making diamonds from the grain. With that sawmill a-humming and the kiln warm and still. Thanks for watching, we will see you back at the mill. Kiln and doors open, warm steam rolling slow. Fresh cut timber laying out in perfect rows. YouTube's watching, folks, tune in for the thrill of a father and his boy at the bearded lumber mill. Maple, pine, and walnut, cedar rich and red, they turn the forest story into boards that live instead. Every slab they measure, every beam they trim, echoes with the love between a father and his kin. At the bearded lumber sawmill, the sawdust falls like rain. They're slicing up the big logs, making diamonds from the grain. With that sawmill a-humming and the kiln warm and still. Thanks for watching, we will see you back at the mill.
Okay, there it is, y'all. It's all welded up, and I know my welds don't look great, but it's at least got good penetration and it should hold. We're going to try real hard to break it again and make sure everything holds, but all we got left to do is put a little primer and some paint on it, and it's ready to rock and roll. Alright guys, the paint is done and it's mostly dry finally. And paint just makes it look so much better. Kind of hides all the ugly. But that should hopefully hold a whole lot better now and transfer the weight out here instead of all of it buckling right here. Hopefully that'll keep it from breaking on us again as easily. But as the old man said in the beginning, we use and abuse all of our equipment, and it breaks. We just got to be able to fix it and get back to work with it. But this was relatively easy. We've broken it worse before. And thanks for hanging out and watching me weld. I know y'all aren't used to seeing me in front of the camera and talking to it, but that's it for this video, guys. Thanks everybody for showing up and hanging out. Thank you everybody that likes, subscribes, and shares if they enjoyed the video. Thanks to me, of course, for editing this video most likely, but Solomon and his channel 11 Charlie Scale Modeling and everything that he does to help us out through social media and editing and all the graphic design work that he does for us and other YouTubers that we know. But that's going to be it, guys. And we'll see y'all back at the mill. Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.